Hello everyone, I am Ashish, guest faculty of economics at Bharati College NC Web Center, University of Delhi. Today I will give a brief introduction of a BA program semester 8 generic elective course, Sectoral Issues in Indian Economy for major or minor students. Its total credits are 4. Its evaluation criteria is divided into 3 parts: internal assessment, continuous assessment, and end-term exam. Internal assessment is of 30 marks, where we have two class tests of 12 marks each and an attendance of 6 marks. In continuous assessment of 40 marks, we have one assignment of 35 marks and attendance of 5 marks. And after that, we have end-term exam of 90 marks. So total marks of this course is 160, which split into three parts: 30 of internal assessment, 40 of continuous assessment, and 90 of end-term exam. So this is the evaluation criteria of our course in sectoral issues in Indian economy. So now let's move to the syllabus of our course. So in sectoral issues in Indian economy, we mainly study two sectors, though we have in total three sectors: agriculture, industry, and services. But in this course, we mainly study the issues in the agriculture sector and the industrial sector. So in Unit 1, Agriculture Performance is Independence, we mainly study the performance of the Indian agriculture since independence. We follow two papers. One is by Ramesh Chandra Saxena and Asrana, Estimates and Analysis of Farm Income in India in the year 2015. In this, we estimate the farm income, analyze the farm income, and what are the factors that affecting the farm income. We look into that, and after that, we'll study the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Chapter 8, Agriculture. So this is the statistical yearbook by Ministry of Statistics in the year 2016. And after that, we have some suggested readings for this unit 1 also on agriculture performance since independence. NIRS 1 is by NIRS Epan 2015 on agriculture, agri performance and food price inflation in India, pre and post economic liberalization. And the other one is by Vaidyanath in 1994, Performance of Indian Agriculture since Independence. So these are the suggested material, the last two. Okay, so now let's move to Unit 2. Unit 2 is on the policy, environment, food security, and nutrition. So this unit is mainly about the policies that our government making for food security and nutrition in India. So the first paper that we study is on the bumpy road from food to nutrition security, the slow evolution of India's food policy, by Pingali P, Mitra B, and Rahman A in the year 2017. So we mainly study how difficult it is from food to nutrition security in India. And after that we have the other paper on Indian agriculture towards 2050, Dietary Diversity, Nutrition and Food Safety by S. Mahendra Dev and Vijay Lakshmi Pandey. And the suggested material is the one which is marked start over here. Okay. So we mainly study in Unit 2 about the policy environment based on food security and nutrition in it. Now let's move to Unit 3, current issues in Indian agriculture. So in the beginning we study transformation of Indian agriculture, growth, inclusiveness and sustainability. A paper by Dev SM in the year 2019. And after that we study a paper by Sharma A.K. in the year 2015, Transformation in Indian Agriculture, Allied Sectors like Fisheries, Dairy, etc., and Rural India. Is there less Krishi in Bharat? So, this paper mainly study how the Indian agriculture is transforming. Is the agriculture productivity sufficient in India? So, this is a NCER paper. After that, we'll study a policy framework on Indian agriculture market by Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India in the year 2024. So these three papers we will study, and we also have some suggested reading by enhancing farm incomes, six puzzles in Indian agriculture, development policy and agriculture markets, e-platform for national agriculture market. These are the suggested materials. And after that we study Unit 4 Industry. So before going into it, let's so in Unit 3 we mainly study the issues that are present in the Indian agriculture and how the government is taking initiatives and transforming the Indian agriculture inclusively, sustainably, etc. Now let's move to Unit 4. Unit 4 is on industry. So in Unit 4 we mainly study the challenges that are presented in the industry sector of the Indian economy. So first we study the paper by Rajan 2014, Make in India Largely for India, talk at the Bharat Ram Memorial Lecture. After that we study a paper by Nagraj R 2015, Can the Public Sector Revive the Economy? Review of the Evidence and a Policy Suggestion. And after that we study a paper by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, PIB, Press Information Bureau, 10 years of Make in India, transforming India into global manufacturing powerhouse. And after that we have some other two papers by one by Ministry of Commerce and Industry on Startup India Kit, March 2023, and Ministry of Finance Economic Survey 2023-24, Chapter 10 on Industry, Small and Medium Matters. So in Unit 4 of Industry, we mainly look into the initiatives that are government making to resolve the issues we are facing in the industrial sector of Indian economy through initiatives like Make in India, Startup India, etc. So this is the brief introduction of our course Sectoral Issues in Indian Economy. Thank you all.